main gym here at Newman. This is where we host our grade 9 boys, grade 9 girls, grade 10 boys and girls, and our grade 11, 12 mixed phys ed classes. We also have our basketball teams that run out of here, badminton teams, all these kinds of things. Great facility, lots of space to enjoy your phys ed class. This is our beautiful backfield, an absolute highlight here at Newman. We're out here, rugby, football, track, soccer, making use of this beautiful facility overlooking Lake Ontario. Welcome to our running room. As you can see, table tennis in here. We also clear out the space and use it for yoga, and we use it for our fitness class, as well as in grade 9, we run a great CPR unit from this space. Welcome to Newman's gym and fitness room. The PFit class is available for personal fitness as a phys ed credit at grade 11 and 12. Is run out of here, and there's also a club that runs out of here every day after school where students can work out. A fantastic space with great equipment. Welcome to Gym C. This is our second indoor gym space at Newman. Up here we do floor hockey, indoor soccer, even archery at the grade 11 and 12 level, as well as being home to the Newman volleyball teams. This space is also used at lunch times as an open gymnasium for students to come in and burn off some steam, as well as running an intramural program here as well.